Guys, this is part 2 and we're gonna put it in the fridge because it's sticky. Come here. So, and then that is set there.
So, hinaw siya na beef tenderloin, tapos meron siyang olive oil. Kaya kapatid ko kay Guapo Chucky, at
I got this super small. I put the beta and gonna expect it.
Ano?
Pabayaan mo muna lumubog.
Pabayaan mo muna, maya-maya mo buhusan ulit. Huwag kang buhos ng buhos na aapaw siya.
So mix it.
Kailangan mo muna siya.
Oh my god! Mix with the
Lumubog hindi.
hands.
Tumas ang tubig. Hayaan mo muna, pero may lumubog. Oo. Hayaan mo muna yan.
Wanna see it, guys?
Ganyan lang ginawa, binusan lang timba. Karena kayo bigla, binapog eh.
Ni, bababa yan, bababa.
Gusto mo pa yan, Sai, tignan mo.
Let's put it in the cage for a
Taas
couple
yung
of
tubig.
hours.
Taas siya?
Medyo.
Hindi mo mababa. Malabas mo din yung kain mo sa yung mga tubig.
Fridge for a couple of hours. Bye bye. So, there. I put it on the slow. Because I don't want it super fast. And this is my dog, Bubbles. This is our dog, Bubbles. And this is... Oh my god! Look! This is a part too. So... This is my inventory. Here are follow on for today. Bye bye guys. Bye guys.
Bye.